Guys, welcome back to my videos. So today we're gonna be playing with two new friends of mine.
New friends?
Not new, but they're my old friends. So you need to meet them. Okay, let me just on the video. These are my friend Nahal and Abdullah. Abdullah, sahi se khade ho. And we're gonna be playing today. The game we're gonna be playing is called. The game we're gonna be playing today is horror stories. Okay, you need to watch till the end to find out what happened.
And by the way, I'm old and he's new.
Yeah, he's not you.
He's not
Stupid.
that. He's been friends with for 2 years, and I've been friends with.
She have been friends for 4 years, and he has been friends for 5 years.
2 years. He wasn't even here 4 years.
3 years.
Yeah, 3 years.
Come on, let's do the horror stories now. The horror story.
We're gonna be conducted.
First, Nahal is gonna be telling us the horror story. Go. Come on.
Okay, so if you wake up at 3 or 4 o'clock in the night, it's considered 89% or 90% that something is watching you from up, like jinnat, and you say that you're scared of jinns, right? What about the jinn Quayari?
What?
Yes, jinn Quayari is literally born with us. It's with us every single second, and it's a jinn.
It haunts us.
Yes, it is born with that. It's you have your own Quayari. I have my own Quayari.
But I have an angel carry too. Yet. Right?
No. That's not. You have double on right. But there's another jinn. Like there's on the other hand, there's like another jinn that you have. So.
Okay, so Abdullah, my friend, is gone. He needs to go home. So continue the story, please.
Okay. So Ayal Curie is something that is literally born with us. He has his own Ayal Curie. You have your own Ayal. Assalamualaikum. Your own Ayal Curie. So he would have a jinn with him every single time. So then it will haunt you till the day of death of yourself. So now he's
Okay, what about if Allah says it to go?
It
Will
can't.
he?
It can't.
Huh?
It's the same type of jinns that you have. It will. Dekho. It
It
will
will
be.
be
Every single-
will be with us when in the day of judgment too.
Yes.
What
It will be.
the heck?
It will be saying that Allah, you told him, you told me not to kill him, or I would kill him every. Listen, वो आपको like he can kill you right now too, but Allah is stopping. And एक और भी है. If you sleep next to a mirror, right?
If you sleep next to a mirror, she said.
I said if you sleep next to a mirror and you wake up at the night and you see yourself in the mirror, it might not be you.
What?
99%.
What? I'm now scared. Okay, I think I'm gonna break my mirror. That was like $5,000. Rupees. Sorry.
Keep the mobile away. Keep the-
Okay, come on, Nehal. Can you please record me while I'm doing a trick?
So this is Rohan doing his trick.
Yeah, I love my tricks as well. So, if you love Ronaldo, then don't forget to like and subscribe. And free Palestine. So support Palestine, not Israel, or I'm gonna kill you.
Okay, now I'll be doing the same thing.
Okay. So my friend Nehal wants to do the same trick right now. Okay, so we're gonna see it. Okay, so guys. Okay, so sorry guys. This is the end of the video. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you support Palestine, free Palestine, write in the comments, free Palestine for everyone.